Welcome to my daily vlog of living with my parents at 33 years old. We recently sold our home and packed up our lives into storage and ourselves into my parents' house for 7 whole weeks until we can move into our new home in Colorado. And let's be honest, this daily vlog is really what's going to keep me sane during all of this. So please like and subscribe and come along for the ride. Alrighty, it is July 1st, which means it's new Lego day, and the Toothless How to Train Your Dragon Lego came out today, and I'm so excited. There's a little bit of controversy around it actually. Some people don't like that he looks like a little baby Toothless. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. We're gonna go get him right now, and hopefully they're not sold out. I couldn't pre-order. I chickened out and then missed the deadline, whatever. So let's go to the store and pick him up. We got the dragon! I am so excited for this thing. Over there. We got the Toothless dragon. I am so excited. There's a little bit of controversy over this, and it's ridiculous, okay? People are mad that he's a baby Toothless instead of like a real live dragon. What? No. Babies, far cuter. So cute. So, we're gonna do this. Okay, the greatest debate of this whole thing is figuring out which one you want to make, which little pose you want to do. I have seen the fish. I like little fish. He's got one where he has a fish in his mouth, whatever. But I think his little tongue and his little pose is adorable and cute, kind of doggy-like. And I don't know if I like the bubbles coming out of his mouth. So weird, but okay. Alrighty. Here we go. Step 1, page 1 out of 250. Oh wait, 250. Now I'm going to try and not completely bore you by forcing you to watch me make this Lego for 10 whole minutes. But I figured we could talk about how I'm going to display these Legos in my home, in my new home, because this is a home decor account after all. So the first option is just to go in head first and just have walls upon walls, shelves upon shelves, bookshelves upon bookshelves of just Legos. And this is a vibe, and this is a moment, and if you have this, that is fantastic and great for you. I don't love this, and I don't really want this in my house because I want for each of my Legos to have a chance to shine, if that makes sense. So one thing that my cousin does is they will try to incorporate the Legos into their current decor. So they'll just kind of scatter their Legos throughout the house. And I love that. I think it's so cute. And it makes each one feel more special versus like them just all being on a bookshelf. And they kind of just blend together and get kind of lost. So hoping that this will be super, super cute. And I had ChatGPT render this picture for me of my vision, and I love it. So this is actually the formal living room for the new house, and I'm going to transform it into a home office / like library setup for me. So I'm going to wall off the barrier between the formal living and the dining room and put in like the French doors. And then I'm going to put on the wall the bookshelves. So we will have the books on the bookshelf. Shocking. Groundbreaking, I know. But we will also have some Legos just sort of scattered throughout, I guess. The ones that are special to me. So that'll be super cute, and I'm obsessed with it, and I love it, and I'm just going to love walking in there and working and seeing my Legos. And then my husband has his own home office because we both work from home. And I'm sure he will have to have the Simba in there because that's the one that he holds close to his heart. So he'll have his own Lego shelf as well. But yeah, the plan is not to just have them all in one spot, but to scatter them throughout the house. I don't know. That's the only way I know how to describe it. But I love this idea. And yeah, that's how we're going to do it in our new house. So stay tuned. And if you like that idea, then like and subscribe, because I mean, at some point, whenever we move into the new house, that is what's happening first thing.